What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro, Xiaomi 12X or any of the Xiaomi smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN password and you're locked out of your smartphone. So here we go. So here is my Xiaomi 12. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN password of my device and I'm locked here at my lock screen. So to remove any kind of security from your smartphone, you need to go to the setting and remove it from there or perform a hard reset. But since you are locked out of your smartphone, you cannot go to the settings, you cannot perform a hard reset, etc. to get rid of the situation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from your lock screen if you no longer remember the PIN password to gain the access back to your smartphone. But you need to know that whatever content you got in the internal storage will be deleted, and if you were using a Google account, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential as well. Let's assume here I am at my lock screen. I no longer remember the PIN. So the very first thing you have to do is switch off the device. Now when the device is switched off, what you have to do, you need to press the power key and volume up key together, press and hold them until the Mi logo appears on the screen. Once the Mi logo appears, you can move your finger from the power key but keep pressing the volume up like this. And here we go. So now you can see that we are inside the recovery menu of our Xiaomi 12, and one of the option is called wipe data. So this is what you have to do, and as you can see at the bottom, you can use the volume keys to navigate between the options and power key to select them. So just go to the wipe data. After that, press the power key once to select it. Then on the next screen, press the volume down to go to wipe all data, and then press the power key one more time. It will show you this message that it's going to delete all of the data and it cannot be undone. Press the volume down to go to confirm, and then press the power key one more time, and you can see data wiping is completed successfully. You got only one option, back to main menu. So press the power key once to go back to the main menu. By default, reboot option is selected. Press the power button, and then on the next screen, press it one more time to reboot the device to system. It will take a bit of time, so I'm just going to keep the device here. Once the rebooting process is completed, you will start fresh with your smartphone and you will have to go through all of these settings, etc. that you did in the very beginning. You will have to do all of the setup one more time because you will start fresh with your smartphone. So let's wait for a while and let's see whether we are really going to get access back to our device or not. So now I'm going to go through the setup, and after that we will check whether it worked or not. So here you can see that it is asking me to set up the lock screen pin one more time. It means that the previous one is gone, but let's finish the process and let's see whether we really got the access back to our device or not yet. And here we go. So it worked perfectly, and now we are at the home screen of our Xiaomi 12, and as you can see, it is no longer asking me to enter the PIN password, and I got the access back to my device. So this is how you can remove any kind of security from your Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro or any Xiaomi smartphone you got if you no longer remember the PIN password and the fingerprint ID is not working for whatever reason. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.